In this video, we'll review the Streamfab and see if it's actually a good service. So Streamfab reviews are mixed but generally lean positive, praised for its ability to download from major streamers like Netflix, Amazon, and the likes. So for the pros, it has versatile downloads and it successfully downloads from many streaming platforms. It also have online or offline access that enables saving content before it's removed from services. Developers consistently release updates to keep the software working despite DRM changes, and customer service is often praised for timely and effective solutions. They also offer many options and customizations for download right here. However, for the cons of this, some users find the user interface clunky, sluggish, and resource intensive. There is resolution or accusations of bait and switch regarding promised resolution versus what's delivered. Some users experience slow download speeds or issues with DRM and mixed feelings on development quality and support. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.